First of all, I want to thank OIS for the opportunity. It's a pleasure to be here. I am JP Robles. I'm the CEO and founder of VIAN Therapeutics, an early-stage preclinical biotech developing a powerful anti-angiogenic therapy in a simple eye drop for the treatment of retinal diseases, microvascular retinal diseases, DME, wet AMD. Our technology relies on a first-in-class, very potent anti-angiogenic peptide that has extraordinary ability to enter the eye and reach the retina in very high and sustained therapeutic concentrations. VIAN technology, it's a first-in-class in several ways. It's a new therapeutic class. It's a very small cyclic peptide. It has a novel mechanism of action of targeting angiogenesis beyond VEGF, angiopoietin-2, and other pro-angiogenic factors with a picomolar potency. And it has the potential to be the first topical anti-angiogenic treatment because of the exceptional penetration to the back of the eye. So we envision our non-invasive technology as a convenient alternative to the intravitreal injections to treat multiple indications in different stages. And we also have a very strong foundation because this technology is derived from a natural anti-angiogenic that is implicated in the natural angiogenesis inhibition that we have studied for more than 30 years. And we have strong preclinical results and also plan a first-in-human trial outside the US to get the early results in 2025. So VIAN C4551 is our lead candidate, and it will help us solve some unmet needs of anti-angiogenic therapies, such as poor adherence, incomplete response, and the lack of good, effective early options. Our self-administered daily eye drop could improve the compliance, also improve the outcomes because of the first-in-class beyond VEGF activity, and also could be a good and effective, safe early option for some of these diseases. So the key features of our peptide is the picomolar potency. It is very potent to inhibit VEGF and angiopoietin-2, induce vascular permeability and angiogenesis, and also it have a high and sustained concentration in the back of the eye, tested in rabbits. So we reach micromolar Cmax after 6 hours of a single 0.5% eye drop. And this micromolar concentration that we reach after 6 hours is what we believe it's our differentiator, our most strong differentiator for other attempts to use eye drops to reach retinal diseases. This is consistent also with a 24-hour lasting effect against the VEGF, and also a curative effect in a streptozotocin-induced diabetic model. The competitive advantage of VIAN C4551 is basically that it is a very small peptide, and it sits between the very large biologics, anti-VEGF, that has to be injected into the eye, and also the small but very, very hydrophobic small molecules that require difficult formulations. So VIAN C4551 is a very small peptide that have a very good tissue penetration that allows the effective topical administration. Also the high solubility, it's very easy to formulate and also helps with the residence in the eye. Has a very high specificity for an extracellular target, very similar to the anti-VEGF biologics. And also we haven't seen any toxicity or immunogenicity with a very limited systemic exposure. So the strategy of VIAN Therapeutics involves doing a first-in-human trial outside the US to test the safety, the efficacy, the PK. We are expecting an early readout in early next year that will drive the non-clinical and the CMC programs. We are not racing right now. We just closed a seed round that will take us through the next year, but we will be soon racing the Series A that will take us to the phase 1 in the US. So VIAN has some future opportunities in ophthalmology as an eye drop to the back of the eye and also in the anterior segment, but also as an oral formulation, it could help in other diseases, angiogenesis dependent, such as in cancer, and we have proof of concept in these other indications. Finally, our team have deep expertise in angiogenesis inhibition and eye disease, and we have surrounded ourselves by very experienced medical and scientific advisors that are helping us shaping VIAN strategic vision. And in summary, this is a first-in-class topical anti-angiogenic with exceptional penetration to the back of the eye and longevity. We have a strong in vivo efficacy, PK data, and we have the first in-human trial in the horizon for the rapid clinical validation in 2025. So if you're interested, if you want to keep on the loop for the next series, please contact me, and I can keep you updated. Thank you.